Higgsfield just dropped Kling 3.0. And before you think this is just another incremental update with a new number attached to it, let me show you what this thing actually does. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield, but here's why that doesn't matter. They sent me early access. I spent 6 hours testing this, and I'm going to show you exactly what works, what doesn't, and why this might be the first AI video model that actually threatens professional pipelines. Because here's what nobody's talking about. This isn't just a better video generator. This is the first model that understands how movies are actually made. Every AI video model up until now has treated video like fancy image generation. You prompt it, it gives you a clip, and you hope the next clip matches. Kling 3.0 doesn't work that way. It generates multi-shot sequences in one run, with automatic camera transitions, with consistent characters across angles, with native audio that syncs to lip movements in real time. Let me show you what that looks like. This is a prompt I gave it. A man is driving a car, and it sees himself in the inner mirror. Then the camera shows the number plate of the car, which is Higgs. Old AI video models would give me maybe 5 seconds of a guy driving. Then I'd have to generate the turns separately. Then the confrontation. Then I'd spend 3 hours in editing trying to make them match. Watch what Kling 3.0 does. It generated the entire sequence. Wide shot of the alley, close-up of his face, pan to the car shadow, cut to the turn, reverse angle on the confrontation, all in one generation. 15 seconds of continuous structured footage. And here's where it gets stranger. The detective's face stayed consistent. The lighting matched across cuts. The car kept ruining at the same angle. The audio synced to his car sound, and the distant city noise I didn't even ask for. This isn't just better AI video. This is AI video that understands cinematography. But here's what nobody noticed when this dropped. Higgsfield didn't just upgrade the video quality. They rebuilt the entire model from the ground up with a native multimodal framework. That phrase sounds technical, but what it actually means is terrifying for traditional video production. It means the model doesn't just generate video. It understands text, images, audio, and motion simultaneously. It doesn't add things in layers like old systems. It thinks in complete scenes, and that changes everything about how fast you can create content. Let me show you why this matters in practice. I wanted to create a commercial-style sequence. Product reveal with dramatic lighting, close-up shots, text overlay that stays readable, background music that builds tension. In traditional video production, that's a 2-day shoot minimum. Camera crew, lighting setup, multiple takes, post-production. Cost? Easily $5,000. Let me walk through 3 use cases that actually matter. First, text-heavy content. Ads, storefronts, tutorials, anything with on-screen text. Previous AI models destroyed text. It would warp, blur, become unreadable within seconds. Kling 3.0 has native text rendering. The letters stay sharp. The fonts stay consistent. The words don't melt. I generated a storefront scene like on the human hand, with a sign that says, Lovers. The text stayed perfectly readable through a 10-second dolly shot. That's never happened before. Second, multi-character scenes. Camera goes zoom out and then zoom in. Old models would blend faces, swap identities, lose track of who's who. Kling 3.0 maintains separate character identity even in group scenes with dialogue overlap. I tested a scene that 2 people are fighting in the ring, and the blood came out from the mount of a person, and the audio quality is fully mathing. The lip sync matched their dialogue. The eye contact felt natural. Third, physics in action. Explosions, car chases, fight sequences, anything with fast motion. This is where every AI video model falls apart. Not anymore. I prompted a car chase through a city car track. The vehicles maintained speed consistency. The debris scattered realistically. The camera shake felt grounded. No floating objects, no physics glitches. You can take Kling 3.0 output, drop it into Premiere or Final Cut, and it behaves like normal footage. Same frame rates. Consistent color grading, predictable motion. You're not fighting the AI, you're collaborating with it. Higgsfield is offering 70% off their premium plans right now. If you want unlimited Kling 3.0 access, the link is in the description. They also have a full user guide with advanced prompting techniques that actually work. Both links are below. But here's what's coming next that nobody's prepared for. If Kling 3.0 can generate 15-second multi-shot sequences with native audio and element consistency, what happens in 6 months? What happens when these models hit 30 seconds, 60 seconds, full 2-minute sequences? We're not talking about replacing Hollywood yet, but we're talking about something arguably more disruptive. Replacing the entire middle tier of video production. The corporate videos, the social media ads, the YouTube content, the music videos, the indie projects. Every agency that charges $20,000 for a 30-second commercial is looking at this and realizing their pricing model just broke. Every film school graduate who spent 4 years learning cinematography is wondering if their degree just depreciated. And every content creator who's been waiting for AI video to actually be usable is about to flood the internet with content that looks better than 90% of what's out there right now. Kling 3.0 isn't perfect. It still has occasional artifacts. It still struggles with extreme complexity. It's still AI, which means it's still unpredictable in edge cases. But it's the first time I've used an AI video model and thought, this is actually threatening real workflows. The free tier exists. The unlimited plan is 70% off. All the links are below along with the full user guide. Test it yourself. See if it holds up. And then realize we're about to see a massive wave of AI-generated video content that's indistinguishable from traditional production.